In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling on Etsy desktop. First, open a desktop browser and head to Etsy's homepage. In the top right corner of the page, look for the profile icon, the little silhouette, and click it. From that menu, select Sell on Etsy. On this page, click Get Started, and when prompted, choose Let's Do This. Etsy begins with a quick questionnaire to tailor your experience. When you see the prompt that asks, "What brings you to Etsy?" pick the option that best matches your goals. Whether you're testing a new idea or building a full-time shop, your choice helps Etsy surface relevant tips and resources. Click Next to continue. You'll then see a question about where else you sell. Choose the option that reflects your current situation. Even if you haven't sold anywhere yet, that's completely fine. This information is used for recommendations and doesn't lock you in. Click Next again. To wrap up this initial setup, click Start Your Shop. This creates your seller workspace and opens the guided checklist you'll use to prepare your storefront. From here, Etsy will walk you through naming your shop, adding your first listings, setting shipping and pricing, and completing payments and billing. None of that launches your shop until you're ready, so take your time. A few quick tips as you proceed. Keep clear product photos and descriptions on hand, know your processing times and shipping options, and review Etsy's fees so you can price confidently. If a name you love isn't available, try small variations you can reuse across social profiles later, and remember, you can save progress at any point and come back when you're ready. That's it for starting on desktop. Profile icon, sell on Etsy, get started, answer the 2 prompts, and select Start Your Shop. You're now set to build a beautiful Etsy storefront.